Good afternoon, dear traders. Welcome again to Forex Trade Africa with your host Dennis. Thank you again for subscribing. If you are new here, remember you have a lot to gain. You have nothing to lose by watching these videos. You can learn quite a lot. Learn the way I approach the market. No indicators, just price action. And you can make a lot of money. You can make a decent return. For those that are professional traders, you can still watch the videos. If they are helpful, share with your friends. Don't forget to write positive feedback in the comment section. And also don't forget to like. Remember that if you like our content, like our videos, they're going to have better recommendation to YouTube algorithm. That's going to indicate that our videos are good for the audience. Hence, more recommendation up there. So let us trade together. Let us grow together. For today, we are going to do an analysis on the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc, where we have a bearish opportunity. So welcome again to our weekly session. Let's go ahead and look at the pair. So clearly, if we zoom in, you can see that the market is on an overall downtrend. Clearly, anyone can tell that it's a downtrend. But if you do an analysis, you can zoom into the 4-hour candles. If you zoom in, you can see that the market has broken structure several times, retested. It's just the same thing each and every day. Break, retest, break, just the same thing, break and retest, break and retest. Market broke again structure over here. And retested it again on several occasions. This is the 4-hour, it broke again. And we are waiting for a retest to the downside. So this is the 4-hour chart. Clearly, this was a supply zone on the 4-hour. If we look at the daily, still our supply zone. If you still zoom out, consolidation, an equal move to the downside. Very simple. So, but we are not looking at that at the moment. We are looking at this area. Where is the market going? Let us look at the weekly. The market has been consolidating also. Sorry. The market has been consolidating. So the market has been in consolidation on the weekly chart. So clearly, we're going to zoom out. Sorry. We are going to We've seen that we're in a downtrend. First of all, let us mark the consolidation area. Clearly, we are looking for our targets to be an equal distance, an equal move to the downside. So our target should be our first take profit should be at 0.60234. Our second profit target should be at the 0.5826. Clearly, how do we enter this market? We are looking for the break, the close below this area. Let us mark this area very clearly. If it doesn't break or close, like we saw in the New Zealand dollar against the yen, you just have to forget and wait for another setup. If the setup doesn't show, it doesn't hurt to wait. You're not losing any money by waiting. You're not losing any money by not entering, but you have to wait for your criteria to be met. So we are looking for a break, a close, and a retest of the 0.62 area. What's the first profit target going to give you? It's going to give you around 179 pips. Our second position should give you around 369 pips, which is a decent return on the weekly chart. So that's why I love the weekly charts, because they give you a broad perspective, a broad view of the market. It's not like trading the 1 hour chart, or it's not like trading the 5-minute chart. Basically, I'm a swing trader, and this is what I look for. Are there confluences? Of course, price has been tested before. This is an area of interest. It has been tested over here. Sorry. Over 3 weeks. It was tested over here in a week. It was tested over here a couple of times for 5 weeks. So clearly our profit targets have some confluence. So wait for a break, a close below the break. There's still bearish momentum, you can see, as we saw before on the 4 hour. Lower highs, lower lows, breaking of structure, lower lows, lower highs. So the market should come and retest this area. Hold on. In the weekly, should come retest this area. Or it should come and break this area. Should retest this area. Hold on, let me zoom in on the 4 hour. Insert price. So it can either do two things, break or retest the area at the 0.629 and to go short. But basically for better confirmation, should look at weekly charts. Wait for a close below this area. Wait for a close, a retest, and then target your take profit. You take profit 1, should be at the 0.60234, and your take profit too should be around 0.5828. So that's it for the Australian dollar, the Aussie dollar against the Swiss franc. So again, we are looking for your positive feedback. Let us know how the trade went. Remember to use a stop loss. Remember to risk an amount that you are willing to lose. And remember, proper money management is key. Patience is key. Discipline. Wait for the setup. Do not enter. Remember the trade that we looked at, the New Zealand dollar against the yen. It broke, but it never closed above this area. It never closed above in order for us to confirm with a candle for us to go long. So remember to be patient. Do not enter at the break. Remember, for you to have a confirmation, wait for a candle to close, wait for another candle to form, indicating a bearish or a bullish move for you to go long. So this trade setup, remember, it didn't work out. So you should also be patient for the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc to work out. Wait for a close below, a retest, and enter, confirming a candle, depending on which type of candle it is. Remember to go through your candlestick patterns that you know of. The hanging man, the bearish candle, bearish engulfing candles. The price structure, we are clearly in a downtrend. Lower lows, lower highs. So I wish you well with this trade. Thank you for staying all the way to the end of this video. Can't wait for your comments, positive feedback from your end. If it's helping you, please share with your friends. Let us grow this community together. Let us learn together. For now, this is it from Dennis, your host, Forex Trade Africa. Happy trading. Hustle smart.